topic title, that is the diabetes, that already you heard, type 1 diabetes. In that I am not going in much more detail about the diabetes. Specifically my concern, that is, I said that is a diabetes is like a slow poison, or you can say the silent killer. Now, how it's act as a silent killer? Now for that, specifically I am telling that the people whosoever is suffering from the diabetes, specifically, and they are not obeying the diet plan as well as the exercise, whatever the doctor has suggested, medicine and specific, that all the things they are not following, and later on it leads to the, on suppose any organ, that may be the kidney, that may be the heart, that may be the brain, that may be the you can say the blood specifically. So it can act as a silent killer, but it takes somewhat time. Then the second comparison, that is a healthy. It means how I can say that is a healthy. Suppose whosoever people is suffering from the diabetes, that people that is not obeying, or you can say the obeying people. Whatever the doctor has suggested as exercise, medicinal, that all the things they are obeying. So it can act as like a normal people. They can live the normal life, like a healthy. So this two comparison I wanted to show it over here. Next please. Yes, this was my plan of work. First of all, what is the introduction, that I think you all are knowing, that is a diabetes type 1, type 2, type 3 is also there. Then what are my objectives, what I wanted to show. Then third one, that is a research and development, some R&D area. Then the materials matter, which are the methods we are going through it for the analysis for the diabetes specifically. Then a few of the references. Next please. Then diabetes, suppose if I say that is a two metabolism that is working in our body for the specifically diabetes. One, that is you can say the carbohydrate metabolism. This whole we can say that is a carbohydrate metabolism. Second one, I can say that is lipid metabolism. When in our body, the insulin that is working properly. At that time, this particular pathway that is going on, suppose whatever the glycogen that is stored, whatever the you can say the carbohydrate day to day we are eating, that is chapati and that all, that is converted into glycogen. The glycogen that is storage form of the glucose, we can say. Now the catabolism of this glycogen will convert it into the glucose, and then pyruvate, acetyl-CoA leads to the TCA, that is a tricarboxylic acid cycle. Then later on it will convert it into the energy source. You can say that is ATP, adenosine triose phosphate. That is. You can say, suppose if I am standing over here, I am speaking, that is required the ATP usage. So this was the one pathway when the insulin that is working properly. Now the second pathway, when the insulin that is not working properly. At that particular time, this lipid, you can say the catabolize by the lipolysis process, converted into the fatty acids as well as the acetyl-CoA. And again, these both are the same only, acetyl-CoA. It leads to the TCA cycle, and again the ATP that is generated. So this is the two metabolic pathways in which the diabetes that is carried out. Next please. Now over here, I said there is ATP only, that is the energy source. No other sources on which the body is working. There is only ATP only. And two pathways that is running on. One that is a carbohydrate, second one that is the lipid. Next please. Now, suppose if I want to measure the diabetes, what is the normal value? For that, the fasting blood glucose level. There are so many things are coming. Suppose I have taken the milk, then I am going, then what is the diabetes level? I have taken meal, after 2 hours I am going, after few hours I am going, random blood sugar level, then suppose in the morning I have taken the meal, in the evening I am going, so that all the link, but that is a normal value, that is the, you can say the 80 to 110 milligram per deciliter. That is the fasting blood sugar level. Now, there is a two type of diabetes, I said already. There is a type 1, that is caused by the insulin that is not produced by the pancreas. Somewhat the pancreas that is not working. 100% all the research papers are saying there is a type 1 diabetes that is hereditary only. But maybe when the child born, during that particular time only, maybe the type 1 diabetes is not there. But later on, the few genes are activated in some of the environment condition. Due to that type 1 diabetes that is acquired, we can say. So that all type 1 diabetes. Then type 2 diabetes. That is the insulin is not produced. Or you can say sometimes that is impaired. Maybe pancreas has produced the insulin, but that is not working properly. That is impaired, you can say. So that is a type 2 diabetes. Next please. Now again, type 1, type 2. One more pathway, that is the, you can say the type 3 diabetes, or you can say the gestational period diabetes, where the mother is suffering from the diabetes during the pregnancy time. Whatever the mutual relationship going on between the child as well as the mother. So that period of the diabetes we can say the gestational diabetes. Next please. Now, how the laboratory they analyze the diabetes level. That is by the, you can say the Godpod method, that is glucose oxidase. Second one, that is the peroxidase. Now glucose is there in your sample, that is either urine, either blood. H2 that is available everywhere, O2 that is available everywhere in the air only. With the help of this enzyme which is converted into gluconate as well as the hydrogen peroxide. Again, this hydrogen peroxide, we have to add some reagent like the phenolic compounds plus 4-amino antipyrine. This is a reagent that is available in the ready-made condition. This we have to add, and with the help of this enzyme, this converted into the some color complex, pink color complex that is observed. Now this color complex we have to measure it at the optical density. We have to take it by the semi-auto analyzer. That will gives the direct concentration with respect to the glucose. Next please. Now, which are my objectives? First I say that is obeying people. It means whatever the doctor has said, that all the things that is, you can say the obeyed by that particular people. Second one, that is not obeying people. Those who are not following that particular diet plan as well as exercise, maybe the medicine. Then both the comparison by the glucose oxidase by peroxidase method. Then my personal home remedies, what we can say the cure. We cannot say the cure, but we can prevent it up to certain extent. Next please. Now, these are the few peoples, or you can say the group of peoples who is not obeying. Sorry, those who are obeying people. So it like a normal people only. Suppose doctor has said to do the particular exercise, or by the physiotherapist, they are doing that exercise in regular manner. Yoga as well as, you can say the pranayama, meditation as well as the diet plan. These all the things according to the practitioner, respective practitioner they are doing, following. So the diabetes level is under the normal level only. Like you can say the 80 to 110, maybe the few variations will be seen, but that is not much more. Within a fraction of time it will not shoot up, it will not shoot down. So that is, you can say the manageable, quite manageable. So it's like a healthy only, or you can say the normal people. We can leave it like, suppose if I am suffering, then too I will live a normal. Next please. Now, this is the graphical data which I have collected from the ZRC, that is Zydus Research Center in Ahmedabad. Now, that research also says that the few data, these are the group of people, they are living there only in that particular location only, and under the guidance of that particular, some practitioner of that diabetes specifically. Now, that research says that this particular graph, guys, you can say like linear. No much more shoot up and shoot down will be seen. Quite a linear in the range of the 80 to 110. If yes, over here 139 is there, 119, 115, 121, 102. But it's like a normal, no much more shoot up will be seen. Next please. Now, these are the peoples who is not obeying, you can say. Okay, suppose doctor has said you have to come on Sunday, they are not coming. It's quite like that. One of them, that is my father only. Yesterday only, before 2 days, I said you go to the doctor for that particular report, they are not going. Then my mom said, then he going. Now, in that the few people, these are the name. These are the few people, the name that particular organization also has not disclosed to me. They have given in the mail only these few people, these photographs as well as that data only. Then they are not obeying, exercise also not doing, yoga suppose, even not going, then these all the things they are not doing. Next please. So it's like a silent killer, you can say. In that later on it will disclose on any organ, maybe the kidney, maybe the heart, maybe the blood, it may be anything. Now this data also says that you can say the graph is reaching from 300 to over here. From here also it may be like this way. It means within a fraction of time, these are the weekly condition, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 weeks. Maybe within a few weeks it will convert it into like this way, highly shoot up. So it can say that the diabetes level of these particular people is quite not manageable. We cannot consider as a normal. So the after few times, maybe the few years, it will lead to any organ development. It can say like a kidney, maybe the heart, it may be anything. Next please. Now, what we can cure it? I always say that suppose if you want to anything, you go to the nature, you will find the ideas. For that also our Ayurvedas are said, the answer is there on next please. You can say the fenugreek, methi, then neem, karela, bilva, cucumber. These are the few list only I can say. There are so many hundreds of lists, that is herbs, plant parts that is available in Ayurveda. Okay, next please. Now, why the people are going to the herbal? In India, tradition is like suppose foreigners are using this particular thing, then we are using after that. Yoga is one of them only. Foreigners have started the yoga and then later on we are started. It's like a herbal only. Over here also the herbal product, foreigner also started, we also have started. In previous time, during the so many years before, we are doing it, but later on we completely go on for the allopathy only. We are not going for the Ayurveda. So over here that is 100% natural, because all the things are coming from the plant source only, or you can say that some animal source. Then there is a good outcome. Whatever the outcome we are getting, that result that is a good. Then treat diabetes naturally. Obviously that product that is a natural only, like herbal, so it treats diabetes as a natural. Then safe and effective, very safe and effective. Cures all the types. Right now 1, 2 and 3 type is there. Maybe in future type 4, 5th will come, then too we can cure it with the help of these things. Then no side effects. You can say there is a no side effects. Yes, a few side effects will be there. Suppose if I am eating the karela in a more amount, very more amount, I will get the jaundice. But beside diabetes, jaundice that is a better, I think so. Okay, so in Ayurveda, this type of side effects will be there. But that is a good concern, I think. Next please. Now, in market also there are so many types of the packages are available. One of them that is the Planet Ayurveda. It containing the fenugreek capsules, Ayurveda capsules, karela capsule. This all the things came from the raw vegetables only. They have dried and then later on converted into churna and then they are selling it. Next please. Fenugreek, karela, then this churna, some of the packages. Next please. This is the authentic. It's not like that I am speaking only. Has been proven by this particular. There are so many Ayurvedic practitioners available in this particular site. That is a Planet Ayurveda. It's available in Kerala, but it takes somewhat larger time. Suppose if your allopathy drugs are going on, along with that also you can go it. Okay, it's not like that the Ayurveda says that suppose any other things are going on, then too that is not working. That is working. Next please. Now the fenugreek, I say that you contain direct that particular vegetables only. Don't go for these packages. Okay, but initially at the starting age we have to go for the packages. Then somewhat the control it, then we can cure it by ourselves. Then vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, that is available in fenugreek. Then vitamin B3. Then you can say the disogenin. In our ancient time, today also, when the you can say any female that is suffering from the, you can say the delivery, at that particular time, our elders says you contain the fenugreek, methi specifically, that methi part and that all they are giving. Now before that also, it has some logic answer for that. One hormone that is a progesterone, that is you can say the menstrual cycle, this female specifically hormone, it regulates this particular thing. So that's why our elders are giving that particular fenugreek. Then potassium, then the protein. Next please. Still next. Two things I showed as starting two pathways that is running on. One that is a carbohydrate metabolism, second one that is a lipid metabolism. These both the things that is regulated by the single product, this only. Lower the blood sugar level by decreasing the absorption and the digestion by the carbohydrate metabolism. Suppose that glucose is there in our blood, it can regulate that particular level. Then lower the cholesterol. Suppose whatever the lipid is there, suppose ketone is produced by the lipidosis, then also this is maintained. Next please. Now, next one that is a bitter gourd, you can say the karela. Blood purifier. Then the blood glucose as well as urine glucose that is maintained. Then the jaundice. I said if you containing in a more amount, then you will get the jaundice. Okay. Then treat infection. Suppose any other antibacterial, antiviral effects is there, somewhat it can give the relief. Anti-tumor agent. It means suppose in your body anywhere the few locations the cancer will develop, localized cancer. it can cure it. Next please. Vitamin C, B1, B2, B3, then calcium, potassium, phosphorus. These two things are very essential nowadays. Nowadays, one trend is that everyone wants to like a child only. You can reduce, not reduce it, you can prevent it certain times, the age also. For that, the essential compound that is required. In Karela, there is 32 active essentials are present, as well as this beta carotene, like in carrot that is available. That is also like a free radicals increasing. Okay, so these are the already available in, you can say, the Karela. Next please. Then Ayurveda. Suppose one herb is there, one plant, X, Y, Z, whatever that is. Okay, few herbs are also available besides that. Along one herb that is not working properly, if you can give it in a single amount, but if you can give it in a synergy, 1, 2, 3, 4 in a combination, then this all the drugs or herbs is working like a, you can say, the magnificent role. Just like that over here also, this churna, Ayurveda has already given in that particular, you can say, the 500 BC. Reuse unit, it means what? Like a wound healing. Diabetes people is suffering while going also get the pain over here. Immediately at that point tissue will develop with the help of this. Then combination of, I said already, that is a synergetic effect. Next please. Now what are that particular name of the plant? That is this one, that is an Indian name, this one that is a Latin name. Which particular parts of the plant we have used? Like you can say the roots, bark, leaves, rhizome, these all the parts. Directly you can take it that particular part and we can prepare it by from. In what proportion? That also that is given. Next please. Now which are the benefits we are getting? Like lower the blood sugar level. Act as a sugar destroyer. Suppose a rock of sugar is there in blood, then too it will destroy it. But it takes somewhat time. Then reduce the carvings. Carving means you can say the stone of the sugar only. Then the purifies the blood. Then improves the loss of the diet. Indigestion process, in the morning only that particular madam has said that this particular people is taking too much time for the digestion. This is also, we can prevent it up to certain extent. Next please. These are the one product, that is you can say the best product of this planet Ayurveda. Specifically they are made for the diabetes only. It contains the activity like break the sugar carvings, magnificent role to maintaining the fat, then regulate the functions of the liver. I said diabetes that is occurred by the pancreas not working properly. It can support somewhat to the pancreas also. Then reduce the risk of the side effects. That is a natural product, so side effect that is very less, you can say. Purify the blood and increase the immunity also. It will enhance the immunity level. Again, content wise, name of the product, which particular part they have taken, in what amount. Next please. I can say the thing herbal, live better, healthy life, and always all the answers that is there in nature, but we have to think the scientifically and logical answer from there. Again, directly don't take any packages, any raw materials directly at home. You can consume it, the vegetables, but any package don't take it directly. You concern your Ayurvedic practitioner, then you have to take it.
I'm not tired. Yes, they want. He has given me the churna. Yes, like Srikanth, very soon again you will be going to Lozin. We are going to start Ayurveda.
And I wanted to say that one more thing, that is my father is also suffering from this diabetes, only type 2 diabetes, that is, and time, that is a 1.5 year we are getting from where, because they have gone at that particular time. Before that also that, but my father has not visited any single time. तुझे होगा, मुझे नहीं होगा, ऐसा बोल के वो जाते हैं. And now it leads to the renal, like the kidney. In kidney there are so many stones. You can say if you touch the kidney, then from there like this way, the only sugar will come out. Just like that pathetic condition is there. But in that too, this one of the doctor, I said this report, that is a specialist, one of my friend only, that doctor. And along with allopathy, they are giving this like packages also. So both the condition, and 1 year that is gone, he is not taking the insulin, not at all. Without insulin, he is surviving still. Without insulin, because of this packages only. So that is my personal experience. If anybody has the diabetes, type 2, type 1, whatever it is, But if you can go for it.
And just to tell you two things.
Yes, sir.
As you said, diabetes is hereditary disease. It is not hereditary disease.
Sir, type 1 only, that is a hereditary.
May I get you?
If you can, I'll show you the research paper also.
Let me explain. It will be clear for
Because
us.
one more thing, then how it develops, sir?
See, it is,
How it develops?
yeah, I explained.
How?
See, it is kind of autoimmune disorder where certain viruses affect beta cells of the pancreas.
Any name of the particular virus?
And that's why I don't know. And that's why, sir, this beta cell cannot produce insulin in diabetes type 1. Hereditary in which case, see, certain person, see, all the person have different genetic makeup, and that's why all have different
one thing I wanted to tell you, that
immunity
is,
level. And due to different immunity level, the person's capacity to fight against the virus may be different. That's in this relation you can say that diabetes is hereditary. Otherwise, diabetes
Yes.
at all not hereditary disease.
when,
And second
from where,
thing,
sir, immunity will
second
comes?
You said type 2 diabetes. In type 2 diabetes, pancreas is working properly.
Properly, but
it is
that is
producing-
impaired.
It is producing insulin properly. but
Insulin
liver
that is
cell
not working properly.
Liver cell is, sir, liver cell is not responding. Because insulin direct gives signal.
Why not responding? Because of the insulin receptor that is not present on the liver. Or you can say
Yeah, you
the
said
pancreas as well as in the
insulin is not
brain.
working properly. Insulin is working properly in type 2 diabetes. But liver cell is not responding.
Because of the, sir, insulin only.
That is.
Whether it is hereditary or not, Jalpasi will answer.
Sir, like our immunity power again is decided by our hereditary. If immunity power is low, then the diabetes can be. Otherwise, diabetes.
So you said immunity power, sir, that is coming from the genetic one.
And again, I would like to say the same thing that diabetes type 2 is not insulin is working properly.
I said type 1 only, that is hereditary. I have mentioned already.
Sir, you said that insulin is not working properly.
In type 1 insulin is produced but pancreas is not working.
It was like this in the type 2 diabetes.
Can you show me that particular, sir?
No, wait.
Fourth slide.
Yes. Type 1 diabetes.
Insulin is produced.
Insulin is not produced by the pancreas. It means what? Type 2 diabetes. Insulin is produced, but that is impaired.
It's not impaired.
That is impaired only, non-functional.
That
Madam.
insulin is functional, sir. If it is non-functional, then it would have type 1 diabetes.
Liver is not functional.
Then how we can cure it? How we can cure it?
Please write.
Type 2 diabetes, we have to maintain our diet, nothing else. For type 2, there is no cure. For type 1, you can take insulin injection.
If you, later on I will show to the research paper also if you can.
People are there.
Because in my, this particular thesis I have already mentioned a few research paper also. You can see it over here later on.
No, it's fine. Let's see our what India has given to the world, that is yoga, Ayurveda and meditation. Is absolutely right. The greatest and biggest gift to the world which India and Indian heritage has given to the world, that is yoga, meditation and Ayurveda. Ayurveda is one of them. Very soon we are going to start Ayurveda college. You can join it.
One more